The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler. February 12th, St. Anthony Cauleas, Confessor Patriarch of Constantinople. He was by extraction of a noble Phrygian family, but born at a country seat near Constantinople, where his parents lived retired for fear of the persecution and infection of the Iconoclasts. From 12 years of age he served God with great fervor in a monastery of the city, which some moderns pretend to have been that of Photius. In process of time he was chosen abbot, and upon the death of Stephen, brother to the Emperor Leo VI, surnamed the Wise or the Philosopher, Patriarch of Constantinople, in 893. His predecessor had succeeded Photius in 886, whom this emperor expelled, and labored strenuously to extinguish the schism he had formed and restore the peace of the Church over all the East. St. Antony completed this great work, and in a council in which he presided at Constantinople, condemned or reformed all that had been done by Photius during his last usurpation of that see after the death of St. Ignatius. The acts of this important council are entirely lost, perhaps through the malice of those Greeks who renewed this unhappy schism. A perfect spirit of mortification, penance, and prayer sanctified this great pastor, both in his private and public life. He died in the year 896 of his age 67 on the 12th of February, on which day his name is inserted in the Greek Mania and in the Roman Martyrology.